Hi everybody. So our assignments were to do Unit 3 and 4 in the Google Fundamentals training site. I did pretty well on that unit. The review at the end of 3. Missed 1. Didn't do so well at the end of Unit 4 though. Missed a few. One thing I learned though was that I am super far behind on the times. So I did not know that Google did all the other stuff. I knew they had the cloud, but that was about it. And I always just assumed that the cloud was just for photos, because pretty much every time someone's mentioned the cloud, they mention it usually because of photos. So I did not know that there was, a whole selection of other things that Google does also. One thing that I really liked was that in Gmail you can label and organize your emails. I have a Gmail, actually I have two, one for the school and then one that I just made a while back for my app store or whatever. But I don't actively use them. I actually still have my Hotmail account from 10, 15 years ago, however long it was. So, like I said, I am super far behind on pretty much everything. I also didn't know that Gmail had a message translator, which was pretty cool because whenever I was teaching Head Start, I actually had parents who only spoke Spanish, and so we had to wait until our family advocate could come and translate for us. So that could make it super handy for teachers when they're needing to communicate with parents who don't speak their language. So that's pretty cool. I've also never heard of Hangouts, which I thought was super nice. As our children continue to be more and more into technology, this could really be helpful for teachers. It can allow teachers to actively and quickly communicate with students to keep them up to date on stuff, to answer their questions. I could definitely see how that will be a thing of the future. That's probably something that all classes will eventually start using. The Google Groups to share info with parents was actually really cool too. Definitely one way to create less paper, because we would send home little newsletters every now and then, but if you have a Google group, you can just send it that way and not have to worry about any paper, and then everybody gets it. Let's see what else. And I don't really know if the Google Educator or certifications would be something that I would complete, but it's definitely probably something that I would need to complete. I feel like pretty much everyone is going to have to be up to date with all these technology things. Because, our kids that we get in the future are going to know so much about technology, and obviously they're going to know more than we do. So we definitely need to stay up to date and stay up to date. So we definitely have to stay up to date and, know what to do and what they're doing. I do think that having the Google certification could definitely help when looking for a job, because that allows, your school to see that you are very well equipped technology-wise, and that you have a wide, variety of technology skills. For my Google slide, I played around with the flashcards. I clicked on the flashcard document and it pulled up some that were already Spanish flashcards. And I couldn't figure out how to start with blank ones, so I just went through and deleted everything and then added my own stuff to the flashcards. But that was a pretty cool slide. I've never seen that with Word. Or PowerPoint. I don't know if that's even possible to do with that. I guess it might be, but I don't know. So that was really cool. And then I also checked out the to-do list on the spreadsheets. I'm a big to-do list person, so that was really cool. I liked how you could check mark the side and it would sign or put a line through it because you completed it. And then I looked at the grade book on the spreadsheet, and I didn't really play around with it too much, but I really liked how on the side it showed you like how many students you had per each like letter grade. So whether you had A minus, B minus, whatever, it showed how many students were in each section. So I think that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.